subscribe my channel. Ding ding ding. Today we are going to prepare kids' favorite yummy sandwich. Of spoon in a small spoon, chili powder of spoon in a small spoon, turmeric powder of spoon in a small spoon, garam masala powder of spoon, butter I slice like this, coriander leaves this much, bread, 2 breads, then cheese, a cup of cheese, onion of onion, then last paneer, 1 cup of paneer. Let's start cooking. And one more thing, today I am promoted to my kitchen. Let's on a switch. It's on. And one more thing, oil, 2 teaspoons. Let the oil heat. Now we'll add the chopped onion. Till that become brownish, be mixing it up. Now let us add the salt. Now the chili powder. Now the turmeric. Then the garam masala powder. Now it mix well, let us add the paneer. And mix it well, the masala should apply the paneer. Now let us add the little coriander leaf. I'm adding only this much. Now the sandwich masala is ready. Let us make the sandwich. We'll off the stove and keep it in the side. Let's make paneer sandwich. I have it like this grill pan. Now let us let us add the butter. Let the butter melt. Till not be waiting. Now the butter is melting. Till that we'll make the sandwich. I have just 2 breads. Let us put on it cheese. Now Now again the cheese on it. Let us close like this. Now let us keep it on that. Now the butter is melted. Let us keep like this. And I have like this. Let us make it in a sim. Now let us add the cheese on it. Yeah, this much is enough. Now I'm just turning it like this. See how brownish and golden color. It's golden color also. For 2 minutes I'm closing and cooking. Wow, it's cooked properly. Let us take out. Now let us off the gas stove. I have a knife. Let us cut in a. See, it's cooked very nice and good. And I'm going to serve in this plate. And with this, I have a sauce. Yummy, yummy! Paneer sandwich is ready. It's very simple and easy. Please try it in your home. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Ding, ding, ding.